Now you can look here. Okay. Question 10. So last month Nicole spent 4 out of 9 of her salary. You see? On food, 1/5 of her monthly salary on transportation and save the rest. What fraction did she save? 16/45. Yeah. That's good. Okay, so how do we do this? Now 4 of 9 and 1/5 on transportation. So we want to take one whole, take away 4 out of 9, and also take away 1 out of 5. Correct? So what is the common denominator? 9 and 5 become 45. So 1 take away 20 of 45, also take away 9 of 45. You get 16 of 45. Okay, that's the answer. Next, Nicole spent a further 2/3 of her saving on a present. What fraction did she have left? So 2/3 is spent, that means left with 1/3. So we take 1/3 times 16 out of 45. Okay, so that is another big number, which is 16 or 135. Because it is 1/3 of her saving, and her saving is 16/45. Right, next. Solve the following equations. Right, so algebra is your favorite, right? Why? No favorite. What's your favorite topic? Which topic is your favorite? Algebra, right? Yeah, because you're solving so many. This linear equation, okay? Yep, so 3a, the 4 goes there, so minus 4a equals to negative 10, negative, 2. Correct? So this negative a equals to negative 12, a equals to 12. 12. Huh? Why? What do you put? Oh, how come yours is so complicated? Sorry? You get minus 4a? Oh, you never put minus 4a. You see, I told you already, it's always a sign. The sign is the one that makes people confused, right? Confusing negative sign. You need to know the negative sign well, right? Because that's why I always say, you're not bad in math, you know. You are bad in the negative signs, and because of the negative sign, causing all of you to do badly. Okay, such a pity. Just one line or one stroke, one negative like that, cause you to minus so many marks. Right? Okay, next one. 8/2y minus 1 equals to 7/1. Okay, that's the first step, and then we cross multiply. So 8 equals to 7 times 2y minus 1 equals to 14y, take away 7, continue here. So 8 plus 7 equals to 14y. So 14y equals to 15, y equals to 1 and 1/14, sorry. Okay, that's the answer. Is that right? Okay, next. More algebra. 40. 840. No, it's 837. Is there any careless mistake? Let's check. Alright, so 3 traffic lights along a straight turn at regular intervals. 1 minute, 1 minute 10 seconds, 3 minutes 30 seconds. So the first thing we convert all to seconds. 60 seconds. 1 minute 10 is 70 seconds. 3 minutes 30 is 210 seconds. Correct? So all the traffic light turns red at 8:35. The next time will occur again. We are trying to find the common what? Not factor, okay? Common multiple. So you do your index notation. 60 equals to 2 cubed times 3 times 5 8. Wrong. No wonder you got it wrong. 2 square times 3 times 5. First one wrong. 70 equals to 2 times 5 times 7. You put 2 cube. 2 cube is wrong. Okay, so that's 70. And then 210 is 2 times 3 square times 7. Okay, looks weird. 2 times. No, that's not. That's wrong. 2 3. Okay, so your index notation wrong, so that's why you got it all wrong. Right, so the correct index notation is as such. So find the lowest common multiple. We have to choose the highest power. Right, so we look at the column for 2, we take 2 square. Column for 3 is 3, column for 5 is just 5, column for 7 is 7. So the answer is 4 times 3 times 5, 420 second. So we take 420 divided by 60 equals to 7 minutes. Right, so the time is 0837 because it's 7 minutes later. Right? What's up? Just take as many as you like, okay? Next, you can, I'll just do, right? So you take a look. Let's see. Okay, so the diagram shows a rectangle length and breadth. Well, the first thing you have to do is to find the letter P. Now, how to find the letter P? Look at this. This is half P plus 2 equals to 6 because this width, the width should be the same. So, half P plus 2 equals to 6. Half P equals to 6. Take away 2. P equals to 8. Alright, do you get P equals to 8? Yes, very good. So, now next equation is 3Q, take away 3 equals to 2P minus 1. So the lengths have to be the same. And since I found that P equals to 8, 3Q minus 3 equals to 2 times 8 minus 1. 6. It's 6. Why minus 3? Where's your algebra? Why? Okay, this should be the solution. Okay, next. Okay, so polygons you haven't learned, so we're not going to do that. Let's skip as well. Alright, so next one is algebra again. Okay, simplify the following. Now I know you have not learned this yet, but let's let's see. Okay, so we have to combine them. Now these two are already same denominator. So 1 whole is changed to 2 over 2 plus a plus 1 plus 3 out of 2. So we get 4 a plus 6 out of 2. Okay. Okay, for the next one. Right. So I need to change it to 14. This is 7. 1 is 7, 1 is 2. So I must make the common denominator, which is 14 common multiple. So here I have to times 2 to this whole thing, and to this whole thing I multiply with 7. So I get 14. So I get 4x, take away 10y over 14 minus 7x, take away 42y out of 14. Okay, so once my denominators are the same, I can combine them. So I get 4x minus 10y minus 7x plus 42y. Okay, why? Because the minus has a rainbow in. Can you see that? The minus rainbow in. Everything is all of 14. And we evaluate 4x minus 7x is negative 3x plus 32y. That's our answer. Okay, it's 2 marks. Right, that's it. Yeah, go first, huh? Go first.